guys, how you guys doing? I'm Yusuf, and this is my very first time on this website called Scratch. Now, I'm Yusuf. If you enjoy this episode, like and subscribe. Now, I don't know me yet, but I'm Yusuf, and I actually love coding. If you ever know. I've made some videos, but this is my very first time making a coding video with such a program website. And I think Scratch is actually pretty cool. As you can see, Scratch is probably the most good one for those starters, starters. See, it's so fun, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the normal, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the some easy part. I'm gonna tell you the basics. And if you guys do want me to do, I will keep going on this. If you guys want me to, if we can reach, I'm actually gonna look at the comments and say if you want me to keep going on this. Because if you guys don't want me, that's fine. I'll just go to a different coding website. And only say if you don't want any coding. If you want me to go back to gaming for a while, I've been gaming. But most of you guys told me to go to coding. And I'm gonna make this a fun field trip. Now, the only problem is that everyone makes it. This is always not making it any fun. They're normally making it boring, if you guys know. And what's really nice about Scratch is that if you guys can see, I'm moving it and changing its color. Now, I've given them a certain code, if you guys can see, when the sprite is clicked, and didn't know that there's sprites. Now, I'm going to teach you how to make a totally good a totally great, a totally new Scratch. I'm gonna teach you the main idea. If you guys want to, and if you guys want to me to keep continuing, I guess I could make a car game if you guys want me to. Because I know how to make a car game if you guys want to. As you can see, this is Scratchy. And we won't be making Scratchy. We're gonna do the game, something like that game we just saw. If you guys know, yeah. And let's start off with the basics. If you guys can see, we have background. Now what can happen is that we can go and upload it from one of the files or get it from here. Now I'm actually going to get this spotlight. Yeah, spotlight. And I think I'm going to put a bunch of, what should I put? I guess I could put a bunch of space dogs. Um, there are like all these animals for sprites. Sprites are the little things you can control or, well, not control. As you can see, the apples were on the other game. Where is it? I'm just gonna go down here. Space dogs. Space. No, nothing. Wait. Sorry about that. Space dog. Space. If I can find it anyway. Dot. Oh yeah, the name is Dot. Huh? Yeah. And as you guys can see, we have a little space dog. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We'd like to see that space dog. Space dog. Wee. Whoa, whoa. Ooh. Now I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it actually happen. You can make him go like that. Get ready for this amazing YouTube video. Pew, pew, pew. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, let's start this off. As you can see, this is motion. This is how we control it. As you can see, there's X and Y. X and Y are very important. They make you move like wee, but not really. If you guys want to, I could make a move. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on, let's do that. Make a move. So I'm gonna go get, and as you can see, there is events. This is the most important thing in the world. If you don't have the events, then the coding you're making is dead. Yeah, if you guys wanna know. So I'm gonna just make this happy and go on. So as you can see, you can see there is a move tip. Now, since I'm on the basics, I won't really show you the main one, the one I always use normally. But since we are using it for fun right now, I'm just gonna make it the way most people make it. And as you can see, our space dog is right here. Now, I want when he starts, want him to go here. As you can see, there it's go to random position. I could always make him go to a random position when we click that, but I don't think I will because I don't think it's right. We can always make him go to where he is right now, but so I want to go a little bit on the floor, and so I want him to be like that, if you guys can see, and let's go to there. Every time when I click this, he'll be right there in those coordinates. Now turn 15 degrees, that's degrees, that's for another day. As you can see, this glide, you could like glide to there, to there. Sometimes it's mouse pointer. Normally I use that. Sex, yeah. Sex. SEC. As you can see, seconds, that's what the sound is. And change X by 10, that's, and change X by 10, Y by 10 are all the important parts, if you guys can know. So right now, I'm gonna do this. So when that happens, now I'm gonna get a different event. See, there is when space key clicked. Now I'm gonna switch it to just I gotta get this. Boop. No, not boop. So what's gonna happen is that move 10 steps when right arrow key pressed. Okay, so we're gonna start this thing. Now look at him, he's right there. Look at him, he's moving. Wee, wee, wee. Now I know it's kind of lame, right? Very lame. I do not like it that much, but what's gonna happen now? I'm gonna add a little bit of code. I'm gonna make some sounds. If you guys wanna know, there is sound. Let me see this sound. This is not the most important thing ever. But you know what I could do? I could always make him play the sound bark. So done. Okay, so wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, look at that cute bark. Oh, so every time when I reach, now guess what I can do? If I was here, I could make him bark, but that's kind of the other stuff. I'm gonna teach you later. I'm gonna bark him later, make him bark every time he moves into right now. If you guys wanna see? Oh, cutie. Now, as you can see, we have costumes and sounds. If you guys can see, and we have all these no controls. Yeah, I'll get to the controls later. As you can see, there are costumes. Now look at these guys. They give you normally, but you could always make them. You know, you could always make them. Like, look, and that. I'm walking here. Hey, I'm walking here. I can see, and I'm just gonna do my I do best. And now see, if you made a mistake like this, big of a mistake, look at this. It's a huge mistake. You can always fix them like that. Otherwise, there's sometimes where you're gonna get frustrated with Scratch. But overall, it is an easy program to use. So I could make him walk. I could make him switch his costume every time he walks. So I'm gonna do that actually. Play sound bark, and as you can see, we have looks. And now we can make him talk. Actually, not. I'm gonna make him talk. I'm gonna make him say, "Hey, hey, hey." Now, if you want me to show you how you can really control him, it'd be great if you guys want me. Hey, so wait, I can make him go like, hey, 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 hey. Do you guys know that every time he barks, it works like that. So if you guys want to keep going, I'll see. That's his thinking in his mind. So I don't see this important to be honest. Um, See, now these are the important ones. There is a costume, and as you can see, it's backdrop. That is the background. Now, I will get into that this episode. Now see, this is change size. We're changing his size here. If you guys want to know, we change his size right here. And we set the size here. I think it's always better to go by 10 instead of 100% or whatever. And change our color. Now we can't only don't have to make it by color. We can make it by fisheye, whirl, blitz, musica, I guess, brightness, and ghost. Boop. So if you want to show you, and boop. I'm making the boop sounds. I know boop sounds amazing. Yeah. And then you can see we have height. This is what game for things like if we change the backdrop, like if it goes here and they're like it's really really nice. Get one and go front layer, go forward one layer. Now layers are one of the important terms. Costume number, size, yeah, this stuff. Sound is pretty easy to know. Change pitch, pitch. That pitch is like clear sound effects. It's not that important. And this is important stuff. So you want it to be higher or louder. Event. Now see, when I receive messages, there's a way where you can have messages like podcast messages. And you guys learn what messages is in my next episode. Or if and here is loudness, or it doesn't have to be loudness, it could be timer. There are times when you can make a timer with the variables. I will teach you what variables are. I'm pretty sure most people know what a variable is. It's backdrop. Now that's the backdrop. When let's say if the backdrop changed it to a different backdrop, and if I change it to something else by the backdrop right here, if I were to change it with the coding, it would make like broadcasts. It would do this, get it? So that's when the key pressed. You guys saw me doing it right arrow. So now switch dot A. Uh, now I'm gonna show you this wait 1 second thing. You can always make it whatever you want, but I normally make it 0. No, 0.1. It's 0.1. I think that's why. And switch costume yet again to B. Actually, no, I think we should only make it. Oh, okay. We should only make it star. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna wait a second, 1.0.1 second, and then change the costume to dot C. And now you guys will see what happens when. Oh, you saw what I did? C. And I'm gonna see what happens when this guy goes boop 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 boop. No, not boop boop. I'm doing the ho 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 ho. Oh, look at this guy. I love this. Oh, that's actual animation. Of course, it is not that great. Now as you can see, he's just standing like that, and I don't want that to happen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna have another 0.1 second, 0.1 second. I'm gonna have another one of those, and boop, and looks. Now I'm gonna change it to dot A yet again. Dot A and bam. So let's go. Let's see this go. Oh, what happened there? Okay, play. And then look at him. Oh no, what's going on? Yeah, I don't think I should do that. But okay. So let me just show you guys a little something around here. Let's play around with the sound a little bit. As you can see, we have all this. Now we have sound like the bark. Now there are actual different types of sound. Like we can go here, and there's that bark. But what we could do is we could go here. As you can see, there are all types of things you can do. I'm gonna write. I like one a lot, so it's where is it? Where dance slow, dance snap, dance funky, dance funky. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3. It's really nice. I think it's worth it putting this on it, and we can always make it loud. Keep going again and again and again. So play start sound. Dance funky. Yeah, and we can try make it go faster, go slower, so it'll be like more. But I don't really actually. Hey, of course, if I don't like how we stop all the time, it is fine. You always do that. Okay, and I have a little bit of an idea. So, as you can see, you can always have a lot of fun. Now, see, I'm gonna look for a where can I find it? Um, fire hydrant. Fire. No fire hydrant? Aw. Okay, then let's go bathroom. Let's make a tree. Yeah, tree. Tree sounds nice. Tree. No tree? Oh, yeah, tree one. Yeah, okay, good. Okay, now I'm gonna put tree right here, and I'm gonna switch the backdrop a little. No, I'm saying. And then wait. Okay, now see what we can do. We can have a lot of fun with this. We can make him move, and if he's touching the tree, switch costume. So as you can see,